Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. My name is Aamir Anjum and I warmly welcome all of you to my YouTube channel FlightnBite. This channel is not just about traveling, it's about discovering cultures, learning about the history, exploring traditions, and experiencing the world through food and stories. A very quick intro about myself. I was born in Pakistan, Punjab province, in the city Sahiwal, where I spent the 15 years of my life and received my basic education. Later I moved to Islamabad and lived there for another 15 years. Eventually I began my international journey, and to this day, alhamdulillah, I have managed to travel to more than 30 countries. I have explored the streets of Paris, admired the art of Italy, walked through the vibrant life of Spain, enjoyed the Alps of Switzerland, and experienced the history of Germany. I have also spent significant amount of time to understand, to know the culture and the history of the whole Middle East. I have been to Yemen, I have traveled and lived in Jordan for years. I have been to Saudi Arabia, the UAE, the Qatar, Oman, Iraq, Syria, and currently I'm living in Lebanon. I have gone to the further east and visited Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, and in Africa I have traveled to Nigeria, to Kenya, to South Sudan, to Ethiopia, Uganda, and few other places. Some of these places I have been as part of my professional career, as part of my job, I was deployed. And some of the places I have visited just as a tourism, to understand the culture, to know the history of these places, to taste the food of these countries, to see the beauty of all these places. Even when I was deployed into these countries by my employers, I had a lot of chances to travel around and see the beauty of these places. The culture, the history, and the food is the heart of my travel. I love cooking and I have enjoyed the food, the cuisine of all these countries. Every dish tells a story. From street food to the traditional homemade meals, I have tasted and learned so much. And now I want to share it with you. On FlightnBite, I will review local food, recreate these dishes in my own kitchen, and share the recipe with you. And yes, I will also take your requests and turn them into special episodes, whether it is about food that you would like to learn how to cook, or you would like to see a specific city, a specific place in a country where we are. So we will have these special episodes based on your requests. So please do let us know in the comments which food you would like to try, whether it is Pakistani, Indian, Southeast Asian, from Middle East, Europe. We will try our level best to bring you one of the finest recipe and the easiest one as well. I would also like to say this channel isn't just about me. It's about building a community. I want you to feel like you are part of the journey. Sitting with me at the table, walking with me through the markets, and enjoying the world one bite at a time. So join me on this adventure. Every flight will take us to a new story, and every bite will open a new window to the world. I have a very small request from all of you. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel, like the videos that I'm going to share. Give us your feedback through the comments, and please share our videos and our channel with your friends and family. Stay blessed. Have a very good evening to all of you, and see you very soon in our first adventure.